Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of data analytics. We'll explore the 4 key types that drive insights and decisions in today's data-driven world. Data analytics is the process of examining data sets in order to draw conclusions about the information they contain, increasingly with the aid of specialized systems and software. In today's world, data is everywhere. It's a valuable resource that helps organizations make informed decisions, understand trends, and predict future outcomes. There are 4 main types of data analytics that we'll explore today: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Descriptive analytics focuses on what has happened. It summarizes past data to understand performance and trends. This type of analytics answers the simple question, what happened? Examples of descriptive analytics include sales reports, website traffic analytics, and historical data summaries. The key use case is understanding past trends and patterns to inform current strategies. Diagnostic analytics aims to understand why something happened. It delves deeper into data to find the root cause of events. This type of analytics answers, why did it happen? An example would be a root cause analysis of a sudden drop in sales, looking for contributing factors. Its use case is primarily for identifying the reasons behind certain events or patterns observed in the data. Predictive analytics uses statistical models to forecast future outcomes based on historical data. This answers the question, what will happen? Examples include sales forecasting, customer churn prediction, and risk assessment. Its primary use case is anticipating future outcomes and preparing for potential changes. Prescriptive analytics goes a step further by recommending actions to achieve the best possible outcome. It answers the question, how can we make it happen? It provides actionable recommendations. Examples include optimization models, recommendation engines, and decision support systems. Its use case is suggesting the best actions to take for optimal results based on data analysis. Understanding these 4 types of analytics can transform how you use data to drive decisions and strategies. Each type of analytics plays a distinct role in the data analysis journey, from understanding the past to shaping the future. Together, they form a comprehensive data strategy that enables informed, strategic, and proactive decision-making.
Subscribe to Goms Tech Talks channel for more content.